JZ at Avis Ford. Today I'm going to talk to you about intelligent access with push button start, which in English means touch sensor door handle. So if you've got your fob with you, you can unlock and unlock the car that way. So we're going to pocket the fob because it just needs to be with us, okay? And we've got an edge here, and this applies to the whole lineup, anything that has that feature, okay? So fob's with us, we come up to our door handle, we grab it, we give it a pull, and the car is unlocked and open, okay? Hash marks on top. Now, hopefully you could hear that when you touch that. That's going to lock the car, again, as long as the fob is with you. So if you're one of these that likes to leave your fob in your car and use your keypad to lock it and unlock it, well, that's not going to work for you that way, okay? Key's on you, physically near, next to the car. Now, one of the things I see people do too, and I'll caution you with, is grab the door handle and pull it too quickly, not giving it that, it's like half a second, right? So that it can actually unlock. And what that looks like is this, right? So don't do that. Grab it, give it a sec, give it a pull, boom, you're in and out, okay? This feature also applies to the lift gates. So to prove that, we're gonna grab our key fob, we're gonna press our lock button, car's locked, okay? But when I come up to the lift gate on this thing and I grab that handle because I've got that fob with me, it's gonna go ahead and open anyways, okay? Car is still locked, all right? So that's a little on intelligent access. Any questions, throw them in the comments. I do reply to those, and have fun out there.